All right, if you're a sovereign network brand ambassador, you already know the struggle, right? How do you take this massive, world-changing vision and share it in a way that actually connects with people? Well, today we're diving into the tool that was built to solve that exact problem. It's the Ambassador Creative Studio, and it's basically your new creative command center. I mean, that's the big question, isn't it? It's like the classic innovator's dilemma. You've got these huge, revolutionary ideas, but to get them out there, you need content that's simple, powerful, and easy to digest. So, how in the world do you bridge that gap? For you ambassadors, this isn't just some thought experiment. It's what you do every single day. You're out there explaining these gigantic concepts like Web3, the whole next decentralized evolution of the internet, and universal basic income. And you're trying to do it all while staying on brand, being consistent, and just keeping up with the crazy pace of social media. It's a huge, huge undertaking. But what if you had one place, a central hub, designed to take on those exact challenges? Well, that's the whole idea behind the Sovereign Network solution, a dedicated creative command center for every single ambassador. And I love this framing, because this isn't just another piece of software. It's your personal mission control for sharing the sovereign vision. It's all about empowering you to be the absolute best, most effective ambassador you can be. So, how does it do that? Well, it really focuses on three key things. First, it's a place to create amazing, high-impact content. Second, it's a place to learn the vision inside and out. And third, it's a place to collaborate with this global community of fellow ambassadors. Create, learn, collaborate. Simple. Okay, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. What's actually in this toolkit? The whole studio is built on what they call 4 pillars of content, and each one is designed to give you a specific creative superpower. This is where the magic really starts to happen. First up, you've got educational explainers to help you nail those big topics like Web3 and UBI. Then there's social content for creating those shareable, viral-ready infographics. Now this next one, ND-friendly learning, is absolutely incredible. It summarizes complex ideas specifically for neurodivergent audiences, making sure the vision is accessible to everyone. Because, a truly universal vision has to be universally understood, right? And finally, with community templates, you're not just creating in a silo. You're building and sharing a library of resources with ambassadors all over the world. But listen, out of all these incredible features, there is one that is a total game changer. It's called the Smart Post Builder, and it is the secret weapon for fighting off creative burnout for good. And the best part? It couldn't be any easier to use. It's literally a 3-step process. You choose your topic, you hit generate, and then you share it. That's it. All the friction of trying to come up with fresh, engaging content every single day is just gone. And here's the secret sauce. It uses intelligent content rotation. So every single time you hit generate, the builder pulls from this massive library of text, images, and formats to create something totally new. This means you'll never see the same exact post twice. Your social feed will always feel fresh, it'll always feel authentic, and it'll feel uniquely you, all while saving you hours and hours of brainstorming. So when you start to put all these pieces together, you see that this is so much more than just a tool for making cool posts. The real mission here, the big picture, is all about empowering a global community. See, it all comes back to those 3 pillars we talked about: create, learn, and collaborate. The Creative Studio is basically an engine that empowers every single ambassador to do all 3 of those things, effectively scaling a shared vision through the power of individual creativity. So the Sovereign Network is building this amazing creative engine to empower its community. And that leaves us with a pretty powerful question to think about. What could your community build with a tool like this? What kind of impact could you make if every single one of your advocates had their own creative command center right at their fingertips? Something to think about.